In this Engagi AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to easily engage with people on social media so that they actually visit your profile, click on your links, and get you more traffic and sales. Not only can you use this for yourself, but if you get the pro version, you can even sell this as a service to clients. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special fast pass discount on all the upgrades. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Engagi AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, go from invisible to unstoppable, explode your social media reach, and generate more business online with the ultimate AI cheat code, breakthrough AI-powered Chrome extension for Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and the rest. Essentially, what this does, and I'm going to show you a full demo of this, but what this does is it allows you to easily respond to people on these different networks with a thoroughly thought out response that will actually not get you people clicking the spam button. A lot of times we try to promote stuff, we try to do things on social media, and it gets our, like if we comment on stuff and we're engaging and Facebook's going to, or X or whatever, they're going to bring our stuff to the top, actually going to show our stuff to other people. And that's really like great to do and everyone should be doing it, but it takes a friggin' long amount of time to do it. Now you can actually either do it yourself or you can even hire someone to do it for you, and that person doesn't even need to speak English as their first language. Like it's that easy. Anyways, the thing that I thought was really cool about this is that Cyril, in the interview that I did with him, he actually showed me that he'd been using this and getting results, and that's really cool. So you can see here that he started using this on one of his accounts and he got a 1,500% increase in his impressions, in his engagement, likes, profile visits. I mean, that's really important there. Profile visits means that people are actually taking a look at you and actually looking, people that are following him in that such short amount of time. And that was with X.com, or formerly known as Twitter. On LinkedIn, he started using it at the end of September, and he was able to get a 463% reach boost on that. So again, people are going to be checking out your stuff, checking out your links, etc. And this is, again, it's designed for Facebook, X, LinkedIn. You can use it on Threads. It's also compatible with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, Discord, Quora, and Tumblr. You can use this on all these different platforms in order to get more engagement, get more reach, again, more traffic. That's what we care about. We don't care about likes. We don't care about necessarily people like seeing our comments or whatever. We want people to see our comments and then go and check us out, or go check out our clients if we're doing this as a service and we're charging people for it. So it's really easy to use. Let me go here and I'm just going to scroll through most of this stuff. But the front end license, you can use it on one browser. It is two AI models, meaning like two different AIs. You get 20,000 credits, which credits are, I think it's a very fair system, but we can upgrade. I'll show you how to do that. No team user, so if you want to have someone else do this for you, you can't do this with this license, but again, I'll show you how you can have it so other people can do it for you. It's for solo license, for solo marketers. You get upgrades for a year with it, and it's a one-time price. Now, I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video of them explaining this. I'm going to come back and actually show this in action, and I'm going to show you the upgrades, how you get that fast pass, which gives you all the OTOs on that. So I'll be back in a minute.
Ready to skyrocket your business and go straight to level 10? All you need to do is tap into the massive growth potential locked inside social media. Now, I'm sure you've heard the incredible success stories of everyday people breaking out on social media and making it big. Entrepreneurs on the brink of bankruptcy have turned their fortunes around and made millions. We keep seeing these reports over and over, don't we? I know this insane viral success is not easy for everyone. It's a rare and exceptional feat that requires a mix of timing, strategy, and a huge amount of luck. But while instant fame on social media may be elusive, the good news is that you don't need it to create a life-changing impact. With dedication and tenacity, Anyone can build an effective network and a profitable audience. Success on social media is the result of consistent effort and genuine engagement. Engagement, that is the key word. Everybody knows this. The more you engage, the more and faster you grow. That's the key to social media growth and success. And it's absolutely logical. When you engage with others a lot, you put yourself in front of them and also in front of their audience. If you engage in a meaningful, relevant manner, then you can attract the attention of big and influential creators and people who follow them. Make an impact and you will get the likes, the shares, and subscribers. It's that easy. But while the concept is simple, executing it effectively is insanely hard. It takes a lot of time and effort to engage meaningfully. You need to come up with innovative ideas and then express yourself in a manner that captures attention and literally forces your readers to react. Now that's part of where everyone hits an unbreakable barrier. We're not all writers. Thinking of interesting things to say and actually writing them all day is time-consuming and stressful. You'd have to be mentally numb to endure this relentless effort day in and day out. It's unfair, isn't it? Why should writers have all the fun? Someone ought to do something about this. Well, AI did. You know AI is a great writer. It has all the knowledge in the world, all the works of all the authors, and all the best ideas of all the top copywriters. It knows everything, and it knows the best way to say it. So here's a breakthrough idea. Let's give the engagement task to AI. How about that? Let AI think of perfect ideas, perfect responses. All you should need to do is click a button. And yes, you should be able to choose exactly what it should say. You must be able to choose to agree or disagree, applaud or sympathize. It has to match your mood, right? And what would be even better is if you could also subtly promote your own products and services in the responses. Now that would be great. And you should be able to do this in all the languages of the world. Oh, and yes, in under 15 seconds? Wouldn't it be fantastic if you could do all of that? Well, your wish just came true. Announcing Engagi AI. Engagi is an all-new Chrome extension that powers all your social media engagement with AI and makes growing your reach and your influence a no-brainer. Literally. It works with Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other Chrome-based browsers like Vivaldi and Brave. You could use it on PC, Mac, or even your iPad. Whenever you go to a social media website like Facebook, X, or LinkedIn, you will find the cute little Engagi icon on the comment box, and all you need to do to write a perfectly written, thoughtful comment is click a button. Engagi will automatically detect the original post, and then you can choose from a variety of moods to reply in or even provide your own. Yes, you can choose to agree, to disagree, to thank, to congratulate, to ask a question, to sympathize, or respond in so many other ways with just a click. Then you can also choose how long you want the response to be. Respond with a short 25-word message to a long 300-word explanation. You decide. You can also choose the AI too. Engagi is multi-AI with support for OpenAI, Claude, Llama, and other AIs. And we bring in new AIs all the time. Next, if you want to promote your product or service in the message, you could choose the product with another click. And that's it. That's all it takes to generate a perfectly written, highly engaging, attention-grabbing response that always gets noticed. Grab the attention of top influencers and build your network. Find fresh followers and admirers from the people who are reading up posts from other creators and feed the algo. Social media websites love engagement. The algorithm rewards people who engage, and when you do engage more with relevant responses, well, you get rewarded more. Every response from Engagi is custom crafted and unique. No matter how much you engage with Engagi, your account will always be spam-free and relevant. The best thing is, Engagi is so simple and smart that you could give your social media engagement to an assistant or even your 8-year-old child and still get great results. Engagi is flexible. Use it exactly the way you want. Power your engagement 100% with Engagi, or use it as an idea machine, quickly modifying the comments to your taste before posting. It's extremely simple and highly effective. So are you ready to build up your social media and get the results you've only dreamt of until now? It's time to get Engagi. Right now it's on a special sale and you could grab it for a very attractive price, a price you may not see again. Grab it now so that you can get the very best offer. Your investment in Engagi is 100% secure. Yes, you could try it without any risk for 30 days. Use Engagi, grow your followers, and if you are not absolutely delighted by the results, tell us anytime within those 30 days for a full refund. The risk is ours and the advantage all yours. So what are you waiting for? Get your Engagi now.
Okay, so I am back here. After you purchase, you'll be able to download the software onto your computer. You download it onto Chrome, so you will need to use Chrome with this. And how this works is I'm going to open up my Facebook, and you can see if you can scroll down through and see someone has made a comment on something. Here's a Star Wars one. Let's say we want to go in there and we want to open up the comments. And we want to reply to this, and we want to get people engaging. So there's a little button. It's kind of hard to see, but a little thing shows up here on here, and it will bring in the input. So this is what the thread looks like here, so the post. And I can have a different, like a mood. I can disagree with it. I can agree, blah, blah, blah. I can promote something. So if I want to put a link, I can. Be careful about that. If you start doing stuff like that, you're going to be careful on how much stuff that how many links you post, because people will delete them if they think you're spamming. But I think this is best for just getting awareness of yourself and your brand. And then posting on your social media wall later stuff that you want to promote. But you can send links if you want to. It's up to you. And then you can choose the AI model that you want to use here. So I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to generate my my response to this. And it's going to go out there, and it says absolutely, and it's responding to it. Like, I don't even have to read the comment, and it's responding here. I can copy this, and I can sign out, go back over here, and just paste that right there. So what that's going to do is it's going to get me in the conversation. It's going to get all these people. I mean, there are so many people, 2,000 people have liked this. So someone might come over and check out my profile and go and start checking out my websites, start checking out what I'm doing. And depending upon what you're doing, what your goal is, could potentially send me a sale. So that's really, I think, and you can go down through here. And for example, there was a Jake Paul fight last night. I don't even have to look at this. I can just click on comment, click this thing, click on generate, and it's going to give me a reply to that. Now I can actually do, if I want to make it a little bit longer here, I want to make more of a longer reply, I can generate a longer one here, and it's going to give me more like that. If I want to disagree with it, if I kind of want to get things going a little bit here, I can. Well, I appreciate your perspective on youth and fitness. I believe there is a lot to learn from athletes of all ages. Blah blah blah. I can do a funny one. Who knew getting punched in the face could come with life lessons? Remember, folks, youth is a superpower. I mean, look at all that right there. It's just as good as Jake's knockout punch. I mean, I don't have to even think about this, and I can copy that in and reply to that post, and just kind of keep on going, and comment all over the place. Again, you can use it on Twitter. If you got stuff here that you want to reply to, again, you want to be replying to things that are. Here's Jake Paul again. We got things going on with. So I could go in here, and I could do a reply. I could do this, and I could generate. Completely agree, Jake. Let's see Connor step up and show. In here, I just copy that. Or I can just click that, copy, post that in there, and here we go. And reply. And you can do stuff like that just over and over and over again, and that's going to get your reach, everything, all. In your traffic, just by doing that over and over, you're going to be able to increase that. Now, I think personally that if you're going to get this, you at least need to get the pro version, so you get the commercial license, so you can sell this as a service, and you're going to want to make sure you get team licenses. So the first offer that you get after you purchase is going to be this one right here, where you're going to get access to the all-inclusive, and that's going to give you everything. That's going to give you all the different upgrades. It's going to give you everything. You get access to like Engagi. I'm going to walk you through these in a second. You get a commercial license, long length responses, 70 reseller licenses. So you can actually resell this. Many ready-made sales pages. So you can actually sell this to people, which is kind of a cool thing. You can actually sell this, and of course, it's going to be more expensive, but you're going to get all the upgrades. So this is an option. Now, if you decide to say no to that, they'll send you through the sales funnel. So there's a pro version. This gives you more credits. You can get licenses for 3 computers, and so you can actually use this on multiple different computers with this if you want to. So that's the first upgrade. The next one here is the reseller license. So you can actually sell this to people. You get to manage license and access for your customers. You keep all the profits, and you pretty much are in control of the system. That's $197. Then they've got a memes one, so you can actually create memes and drive traffic with this. So this one's $67. Then they've got Engage. This is a Bloggy Pro, so this is for actually like creating content and driving traffic with that as well. That's $67. But I mean, you can go through the sales funnel if you want, but if I were gonna get this, I would get the Fast Pass, but you don't have to. It's up to you. Pick and choose, it's your choice. Okay, so what do I like about Engagi AI and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, it does have a credit system, but very few people are gonna actually go over those credits. You'd have to be like a keyboard warrior to go out and use all those credits. It's just in there to kind of protect them, but it does have a credit system. And I don't want you to think that just because you start posting, you're magically you're gonna start getting results. You need to do this on a daily basis. Sign in, do it for like 5 minutes a day, or if you get that upgrade, then you can have someone else do it for you. What do I like about this? I think this is a really cool idea. Cyril always puts out good stuff, and he maintains his software. He doesn't just release stuff and it's gone like next year. It keeps on staying. So if you'd like to get a high quality software with something that actually he's gotten results with, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Engagi AI review, if I can speak. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.